my friends. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. And I really miss you. Welcome to 1, 2, 3 Learn English with Shiraz. Kids, today we're going to learn a new letter of the alphabet. Firstly, let's see these pictures. Kite, kangaroo, kettle. All of those words start with the same sound. Do you know what sound they start with? Yes! Great! It's K sound. Wow! So today, we are going to learn the letter K. This is capital K. Whoa! And this is small k. Let's repeat together the sound of the letter K. And it is K. K. Let's say it very quietly. K. Let's say it loudly. K. K is for kite. K. K. Kite. K is for kettle. K. K. Kettle. Okay, my friends, I've got a challenge for you. Look at this picture and find 3 things that start with K sound. King, kitten, key. Now, my friends, let's learn together how you write capital K and as well small k. Alright, my friends, so as usual, we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we're pretty much only going to be using these 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and begin with capital K. The starting point of capital K is in the first line, just like this. Okay, my friends? Now from this starting point, we're going to go straight line down to the 3rd line right here. Now, what are we going to do is from the 2nd line, line up and line down. Just like that, kids. Now, let's do the starting point of small k. Small k. The starting point of small k is as well in the first line. Just like that, kids. Now, from this starting point, we're going to go line down to the 3rd line, just like the other one. Now, from the 2nd line right here, we're going to go do this and back down, just like that, kids. Wow! Good job, kids. Keep watching and join me for the next lesson.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.